Hello everybody, my name is Owen Fox, and in this video I want to talk about how to heal your adrenal glands, how to recover from chronic fatigue syndrome, how to recover from exhausted adrenals and continuous general tiredness and fatigue in your life, which I've suffered from and I'm now finished with, but I suffered previously for over 10 years from extremely serious injury or impact and adrenal impact on my body. So I have a lot of compassion for people who have suffered and are having symptoms of chronic fatigue, etc., ME, exhaustion, tiredness, burnout, and they're relying on stimulants and they're just always on yo-yo living and up and down levels of energy, or even just constantly low, which I had for a very long time. So after all of this time, and it's even after 15 years since the beginning, I want to tell you briefly in this video, just to make it really short, kind of not too long, the best things that I've learned in this time. Now, the number one thing that I've learned is the fastest way to recover, everyone, is actually to listen to your body, because I used to be very disconnected from my body. I didn't listen to it. I kept overeating. I kept over-exercising. So the number one strain you can ever do in your adrenals, everyone, the number one, in my opinion, is the number one thing that exhausts your adrenals the most is forcing yourself and not listening to your body. For example, you need a rest, you need sleep, you need more sleep because you only got like 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours or 7 hours depending on how much you need. You're already tired, you force yourself to push in a massive, really incredibly difficult workout, or you force yourself to stay for another like 6 hours working, and if you keep living this lifestyle, everyone, it's adrenal abuse. It's so tiring and sad for your adrenals. So if you do more, overdoing and doing more and not listening to your body is what exhausts your adrenals the most. So let's say if you're overeating, it's another thing that's associated with not listening to your body. Your body says, I've had enough, because digestion takes up as much as they say 80% of daily energy. So if you're overeating, you're totally exhausting your energy, and this energy is supposed to be used for healing and repairing your body and adrenals during sleep. Now, I've done this and it totally delayed my healing and recovery. After listening to my body, everyone, listen up. I had very fast recovery. Another thing, so that's number one, everyone. Did you capture that? Listen to your body. Stop when your body's saying stop as much as you can. Get more sleep or rest as much as you can if you need rest. Stop pushing forward, disregarding what your cells in your body are begging and screaming and telling you and asking you to give them. They're saying, please stop doing this. Stop forcing me to do this. I'm tired, I need a rest. The more you force me, the more I'm going to get weaker and weaker and weaker, and have more of an acid and tired out and depleted condition in my body. So, getting onto healing depletion, what I would recommend is my Rejuvenate formula or another adrenal formula you can buy, okay, anywhere or on the internet. Now, I because of this, I started a herb store. I sell my number one top selling Rejuvenate formula, my top seller. I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave the link below. This is what I've used, as well as throughout the years I've tried lots of other ones too. Adrenal herbs are my number one favorite classification of herbs. I have a women's herbal formula. I have one for your liver and cleansing. Highly recommend that too, of course. I recommend lots. I have one for brain and nerve. I have one, well, I don't have a formula, but I have herbs for your bones, ligaments, joints and tendons. All helpful, everyone. But if you're constantly tired and your adrenals are wiped out and you're relying on coffee and tea or even drugs, yeah, that's why adrenals are my most important things to recovering your body. Like, just I highly recommend that. So listen to your body and stop forcing yourself. Stop overeating as well. Number two, take an adrenal formula. And I'd recommend, the third one I'd recommend is basically eat a light diet. Such as a raw food or a fruit-based, fruitarian-based, most raw food or all raw food diet, on and off as best as suits you. Sorry for the noise, everyone, my fault. So I really hope this video helps you, everyone. Like, I suffered so much in the past and I want to help you sincerely. So if you have any questions or comments or queries, please message me. Subscribe to my herb store, higherstuffherbs.com. The links are below. Try it, Rejuvenate. It's a yin-jing adrenal and kidney formula. Good for your hormones, good for your kidneys, good for your adrenal glands. And get a good night's sleep every night. Wear an eye mask or else sleep in a dark room. Go to bed as early as possible and get up early. It's better for your adrenals. Exercise, but stop when you're too tired, but make sure you get enough rest after exercise. Don't overeat, listen to your body. Eat mostly raw food diet, like 65 to 100%, as much as you want. If you ever eat cooked foods, don't eat too much, or at least eat some salad or certain fruits such as grapes, apples, pineapple, cherries, mandarins, oranges, citrus, that goes well with cooked food and helps it not to be too dehydrated and tiring on your body. 100% raw food is best, but that can be difficult in today's world, so have compassion and empathy for that. So and I'd also recommend going barefoot and sun gazing and deep breathing exercises and moderate exercise. Deep breathing, belly breathing like the children. It's very good, everyone. Air is number one nutrient. Oxygen and nitrogen and all the stuff in air. It's number one and most important. And good quality rest and sleep is more important than anything. You can eat the best diet in the world. If you're not getting enough rest and sleep, you'll be exhausted still anyway and have no quality of life. So get it straight. It's not all about the food. It's about other things such as sunshine, barefoot, water therapy. It's about posture, because having good posture, everyone, will allow your organs not to be squashed and allow blood and lymph circulation to happen properly and digestive juices to work properly, and you digest your food properly. So sorry for the lighting in this video, everyone. There's really good information. Sorry it's not 100% perfect video quality, but the information is top quality. I spent 15 years learning so much in my life about these topics. So do try out my different formulas and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments or queries, it's my dedication to get back to you. I promise. If I see it, I'll get back to you, I promise. Befriend me on Facebook. Subscribe to my Higher Self Herbs on Facebook, and check out the links below. Share, like, subscribe to the video, and thanks for watching. And I really hope this video helps you, sincerely from my heart. And I'll be in contact. Let's be in touch. So for more videos on Body, Mind, Spirit, my name is Owen, and please do share this video, and I'll talk to you, see you again in another video. Until then, life's short. Cherish and appreciate today. It's all you got. Don't wait till tomorrow or next year. Now is for living, not next year. You might not get next year. So love and appreciate everyone in your body and all your family and your friends, everyone. And keep learning and growing, because that's ultimately what it's all about, as well as enjoying your life. Life's meant to be enjoyable. It's not a serious thing. It's a seriously fun, lovely and playful thing, as well as the lessons. My name is Owen Fox, so see you soon, and don't forget to befriend and try out the herbs, everything. Have a lovely day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Lots of love.